Hi, I'm Molly Sheth. I am a biotechnology major and a pre-med student. My interest in research and biotechnology being one of the leading sectors of today really made me consider building a future around it. Not only that, but the resources Middlesex has to offer really made it stick. The biotechnology program here at Middlesex gave me so much exposure. The program is designed in a way that we get to learn lots of techniques that are actually used in the field. And the labs are designed to focus on topics that revolve around day-to-day applications of biotechnology. In a hydroponics and aquaculture lab, we have a total of 23 tilapia fishes growing beautifully, nice and healthy, while we maintain a water recycling system which helps us grow greens like cilantro and Swiss chards. We also grow baby greens and microgreens that are then passed on to the Middlesex Culinary department, who then uses them in the weekly luncheons that the students organize. After graduation, I'll continue pursuing my bachelor's degree in biotechnology at Rutgers University, and I'll be going to med school after.